Hi class, hope all is well and looking forward to class tomorrow, October 6th. Just give you a prelude of what we're going to talk about in class. We did a lot of discussion on adapting to the college experience. I mean, let's face it, that's what this course really is all about. It's adapting to college. What does college mean to us? And what I really think we need to do is we need to spend a lot of time focusing on what we talked about last Friday, and that's emotional intelligence. Having the ability to migrate from one revenue to another, I think, is really important. You know, we talk a lot about emotional intelligence, and we talk a lot about social pressures that we have when we were in college. We talked about, how a lot of people write more, they write better than they actually speak, and vice versa. But some people can do both things well, but some people struggle with one or the other. So when we talk about navigating through college, it really means having to do a lot with managing our internal conflicts before we can manage the culture that surrounds us. And I think that's really important to understand. Okay? Not everyone in college is going to think like you. Not everyone in college, whether they be professors or other students, peer students, not all subjects are going to be the same. Some are going to be more challenging than others. But what I really think about is how do we navigate through something that is very personal to us? For example, in this class, a lot of students are getting back into school for the first time after a long time. Some of you are coming right out of high school. Some of you are working with small children. We talked about that last week, and you're kind of growing up with them and being role models and setting examples. But that is what college experience really is when you summarize it. It's really about setting a legacy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of YouTube videos for you that will kind of go into what I just spoke about now. And also, in addition to that, okay, I also want to share with you that we need to do a couple of things. One is going to be a response paper, and the other one is going to be more or less an essay. And when we get into class, I'll explain to you what that's going to be about. It's really going to be about what we talked about up to this point. Now, the thing I want you to know is that I will be at a writers' conference next Friday. I'll remind you when I come to class. That will be I believe, the 13th of October. I'm going to be gone from Wednesday through Saturday. So the thing is that I am going to put an assignment up for you. I'm going to put more YouTube videos up for you to see and observe, and an assignment where you're going to write an essay that will be due the week after. In other words, on the 20th, our next class. And by the way, that class, Georgia from Career Services, is going to be coming in. She's the career coach. So we got a lot coming up, and I'll go over all this tomorrow, but I wanted to give you a heads up. So look at some of these YouTube videos I'm putting up now, and we'll see you tomorrow afternoon at noontime.